Hello, this is Logan from CableCreation. First, let me tell you the result. CableCreation CD0700 Type-C high-res audio with PD charging adapter. Can work with OnePlus Nord 2T smartphone. I will show you. I also need my colleague Justin for help. This is a OnePlus 150 wattage supervooc power adapter. This is a CTI headphone. Connect the PD power adapter to the power slot. Connect CableCreation CD0700 to my OnePlus Nord 2T. Connect the CTI headphone to the 3.5 female adapter. Then connect the cable to the Type-C female port. When I just connect the 150 power adapter, we can get the charging function is working. Play music, unplug the CTI headphone. Connect the CTI headphone to the 3.5 female adapter. And then connect the play button. I can also use the plus and the minus button to control the music. Press the plus button. Volume is larger, and when I just press the minus button, the sound is smaller. Try to call my colleague Justin. Hello, Justin. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Then I will ask Justin to call back. Justin Liu has just called me. It told me swipe up to answer. I will swipe up. Hello, Justin. Hello. Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
I can also just use the pause button to end the call. When I just press the pause button, I can just end the call. Okay, thank you, Justin. Through the short video, we can get that CableCreation CD0700 Type-C high-res audio with PD charging adapter can work with my OnePlus Nord 2T. I can just use this adapter to enjoy the music and use the 150 supervooc charger to charge my OnePlus 2T smartphone. That's all. Thank you.